Solar power is potentially one of the greatest energy resources the planet has to offer. But up until now, however, solar power has not been as efficient as it could be because of the technology, the manufacturing strategies, and the cost. One type of solar panel is crystalline silicon panels covered in photovoltaic cells. These photovoltaic cells are what take the sunlight and transform it into energy. The other form of solar panel is made of amorphous silicon. Silicon is a photovoltaic material which works as a semiconductor to convert the light from the sun into an electric current. But before you can understand how this works, you have to understand that a semiconductor is something which uses a diode, which allows electrodes to flow in one direction but not the other, essentially channeling the electrodes to the device where you want them to be. Even in current day, amorphous silicon panels are really only used to power low-power devices such as calculators. However, Arthur Nozick feels that he's created something that will decrease the cost and increase the efficiency of solar panels. As a senior research fellow for the National Renewable Energy Laboratory in Golden, Colorado, he has created what he calls a nano-sized quantum dot that should increase solar efficiency to 42%. This 42% efficiency is coming from tests done on single quantum dots, however. Tests done on panels made of these quantum dots so far have only yielded 2% efficiency. But the great potential of these dots is what keeps Nozick going. The actual efficiency rate of solar panels comes from the amount of electrodes that make it through the semiconductor and into the separate circuit board, which further channel the electricity into a battery or the device which is going to be using the energy. If Arthur Nozick is right, then he would greatly affect the way that we look at solar energy. But according to speculation, we still have a few years left to wait to find out if this technology is even possible to make, and if it would be any more cost efficient than what we have. If these quantum dots, or crystals of semiconductors, whichever you prefer, turn out to be as great as they say they are, then it could greatly help to quench our thirst of fossil fuels and helping in the quest to make our planet greener.